First, go to Captions and Graphics. Now add a text by pressing T or selecting the text tool. Now type your text. Change the font to your liking. Now align the text to the middle. Now we make a shake layer. Drag it around the text. Select the Mask and Shape box. This is new in Premiere 2023. Now go to the Effect control and select the text. Scroll down to Transform and make a keyframe by clicking the stopwatch. Drag the keyframe to the right and change the position of the text so it is out of the shape layer. Now you have your text reveal. Change the speed to your liking and add an ease into the keyframes to make it look smoother.